President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, why allow the humiliation of this young man to this extent? What did he do to you? What did Nyeso Wike do for you? Rivers State, 160-something thousand votes. Obi, 120,000 votes. Atiku, about 90 or so thousand votes. Is that the vote he gave you? Let's say he gave you. He has only one vote, but he gave you that vote. Oh, yeah. All of us, our vote were good. It's his son, he gave it to you. So what are people like El-Rufai? Today all of you are bothered. I diverted because of the question. I'm coming to my main. What of El-Rufai who stuck out his neck for you? Why do you inflict pain on people who gave you support? And then people who are sitting on the fence, who did not do anything, you pack them. They are now the decision makers in your government. Where's El-Rufai? Now El-Rufai is going around. Oh, you want to disgrace him. So supporting you now bring death and suffering to people. And then people say, maybe you are not aware. That is even worse if you are not aware. Because this is not the Ahmed Bola Tinubu I know. Since 1992, when I encountered you, I don't think this is the Ahmed Bola Tinubu I know. That calls me his friend, and I call him my friend. And calls me my son, and I call him my father. This is not the Ahmed Bola Tinubu I know. Why will El-Rufai be made to go through this? Those people in government now, which of them did 1% of what El-Rufai did for you? You know El-Rufai is not my friend. El-Rufai has never been my friend, and I don't know whether he will be my friend tomorrow, but he has never been my friend. I don't like him. I don't like his style. I don't like his arrogance. He cannot come in front of me and show he's arrogant. He cannot come. Because whatever arrogance he is, I am an Amakri and I know who I am. I know my history. I know what the exploit of my father. And I know my own exploit. So I am this, I am that. Come and do this in front of me. You can't do it. I won't accept it. If others will accept it, me, I will not accept it. So I don't have any personal problem with El-Rufai, but I don't like the way he carries himself about. I don't think that he is this, is that. I don't believe in that. But against all odds, El-Rufai stuck his neck for you. He made enemies for you. He came under the bad book of those people. Even his life was under threat. Look at Bello, my friend Bello, that is having problem. When Bello refused to step down, he showed us. He said, look at Bagudu. He's also an aspirant. He stepped down. If Bello, he cannot decide. He brought all the northern governors and they gave you support. Which of those people in the government with you did that? When the currency, when they were changing, Mefule and others were doing what they were doing, and we were shouting. He had government power. He said anybody who refused to accept the old note in Kaduna, the person will be prosecuted. The person will be prosecuted. And he shut down that district. All were directed at you. Then you cite security problem to humiliate him and reject him as a minister in the National Assembly. Which of the people there do not have security problem? Which of the people, how many people are facing EFCC accusations? Are under EFCC trial? Are they not in the Senate? Are they not inside their government? You humiliated him. Today I heard you people have collected his governor. And that's why I tell these people, when you, instead of the God, Allah, God, this 419 munafiks, hypocrites. Allah said in the Quran, "Qala la umma malikal muluki tutil mulka man tashau, wa tanzilu mulka mimman tashau, wa tuizu man tashau, wa tinzilu man tashau." You don't believe in God. You want your successor. You want to appropriate the power of God to yourself. So the hellfire, everybody, you are seeing it. You want to control. You don't want to live. You lie to people. Once I live as governor, I will not have anything to do with my successor. I will allow him to be going and lies. You want to remote control him. You want to remote control him. And that is what is, now they've collected him from you. You know, Siam? They've collected him from you. See you now. See you how you come there now. Small thing, he don't become governor, His Excellency, they collected him from you. These are not good friends. They are not good followers. They are not like us. Who, when we say we are for something, we are for something. No matter what. There is nobody on earth who will come and tell me, be and all this stuff with Tinubu. I know Tinubu. And if it's going wrong, I will talk. I will talk and talk and talk. Even at the risk of my life. I will continue to talk. So where Rufai? What of Vanika? Oh, Vanika, you can't touch him even with a long pole. But the time, where were these people that now know where long poles are? Where were these people that now know where long poles are? They were sitting on the fence. Anybody, if you know fit to go wrong, they were not man enough to support you. So you threw away Vanika Ode. You threw away Rufai. And you think that people are not seeing. And you think that people will come. What of Falake? You threw him away. They told you, oh, Falake stole campaign money. This. Which one did they steal? Which one did they steal? You are in government. You have not spent 1 year. They have started planning how they will succeed you. Such people are the people that you put inside your government. They've started plotting how they will succeed you. In case you are sick, in case you are sickness. Was Buhari not sick? For 8 years, Buhari was sick until he finished. How can you allow such people in your government? How can you allow such people in your government who from day one of your inception have started planning how they will succeed you? And you think you are safe with such, you are safe in such a crowd? You are safe with such people? It's a question, no? They say political permutation. If Tinubu does not come, me and this person will run. If the sickness become too unbearable, me and this person will run for, he will be vice president, I will be vice president, will complete his tenure. The people in your government. What if they poison you? What if they poison you? Those are the champions. But they refine them who stuck their neck, put their life at stake. The Fanika ordered them. Who did that? They beat me and bury them. Who did that? No. They are all useless. They are all useless people. You have to look for a pole. You can't even touch Fanika Ade with a pole. But at that time, they did not have any pole for you. Let me not dwell on this one. This is not my lecture today. Just as somebody has a question. Please, Mr. President, retrace their footprint back. Rivers State. Let Rivers State not become your albatross. Let Rivers State not become your albatross. Mr. President, let Rivers State not become your albatross. I'm just one individual. There's little I can do. I'm telling you. Like the ancient mariner. Let Rivers State not become your albatross. Because the way my people say, somebody where they purchase small fowl. Somebody where they purchase small fowl. If he no break in leg, he go break in head. Now so my people talk, say somebody where they pursue small fowl. Small fowl. Oboko. E kalo boko dugan bebe. E bekete bwa yima. E si puba. E kalo boko tubo dugare bebe. E bekete bwa yima. E si puba. Like the ancient mariner. River State. I am there. I will continue to support you. I will continue to advise you. But this cause you are going is too much. You were a governor before. You will not accept what you are supporting to be done to Fubara. You would not have supported if it had been done to you. You did not allow Obasanjo to do it to you. But you are encouraging. Obasanjo was in PDP. You were in AD. Now you are in APC. It's the same scenario. The same thing Obasanjo did to you is what you are supporting to be done. That is turning. You are turning the wheel against your own self. You are turning the wheel against your own self. You are experimenting what happened to you on scene to see how he will feel. Since you did not feel it, since you fought, you are putting it on scene so that you will feel it. If you see how, me, I didn't feel it because I fought it. So let me see how somebody else will feel it. So you are putting. You supported, I'm close to you. So I know you supported Ladoja in Oyo State. When Obasanjo came after him, you supported Alamesia when Obasanjo came after him. You supported the Ingige when Chris Uba and others came after him. With Obasanjo, you supported Darie when they came after Darie. I know it because I was there. I was with you. This is not what somebody told me. I was with you. And I know what happened. Everywhere there was oppression against the governor or anything, you supported them. You supported Mpati Ozu, in former Anambra State governor. You supported him. They were all communicating with you. You you were a rallying point for all those all those governors who were oppressed. You supported Atiku when Obasanjo came after him. You supported Atiku. When that was how you got close to Atiku. Not that Atiku supported you. You brought Atiku. You supported him when Obasanjo was oppressing or Atiku. When Obasanjo was oppressing Atiku, you supported him. You did everything. You sponsored Pronaco.